Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're back with a whole bunch of blah 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 games, you know. So, I'm not sure what to play right now, but I guess let's play Tower of Heck. Okay, new update. My computer, I guess. It's finally getting to let me finally just play the game. Shift. Oh. I nearly died. Is my shift lock even on? Oh. Yeah, it was off. Oh, yay! Oh. There's an invisibility. But I suppose everyone sort of just beat the tower. How am I dying? I literally just jumped on there. See, this is why Tower of Heck has so much thumbs down. But how do they have 9.8 billion plus visits? And how does it have 6,648 and 800, wait, and there's only a little bit playing. I mean, and how is this game so great when it's so hard? Like, it's even on the front page. Finally. But no, this is a hacker. I mean, there's no way that person just made it to the top. Yeah, this is totally hacking. But it's kind of good, I guess. Well, I guess it's good for me. No! Yeah, I mean, stop spamming, you're running the servers. It's only doing it and you guys are running people's fun. Yeah, I guess they're just ruining people's fun. Cause you know, this is 8X and I have no idea how they even got to the top of there. And yeah, there are people then join a different server. Yeah, this girl is totally hacking. Hacker. And how did she even make it up so fast? I mean, is that even possible? Yeah, see, she's totally hacking it. Yeah, plus people are trying to win. And you know, if they speeded the tower when I was if someone was right there, they would have been so mad, and they would just, like, leave. Oh, see, people don't understand the meaning of this game because at the second when you jump, it just lets you down. And the second hardest game is, like, hard. I mean, there's like, I guess this isn't the top hottest game, but the ones that people really hate is, like, the Impossible Lobby. Yeah, that's, like, their worst nightmares. I mean, like, what? Why? there's a lot of like, you know what, the games I don't like playing, hard obbies. Cause like I don't do any obbies anymore. Oh my god. Look! I mean, she's about to speed the tower up. In like, maybe 4 seconds, 3 something. But she is totally ruining everyone's fun. I mean, how? This is so not fair. I'm only on the blue stage. Now I was about to fall. Yeah, I was gonna fall anyways. Oh yeah, that girl's totally gonna beat it. Yeah, I'm going to pose. You know, every single time I have to keep on switching it. Like, I have to keep on switching it multiple times until I find Invisibly. Oh, wow, this person submitted their money just to add more time. I didn't do that. It was the game's fault. It wasn't me. The last time I die, or like, no. No. We're done. Done. Comment down below what game should I play next. Because there's really just Adopt Me. Do you know I dislike this? Because you know, Adopt Me, ever since they added pets, people were like, ever since they added the pets and trading in Adopt Me, they now stopped like, yeah, they stopped like, it's supposed to be a role-playing game, but it's totally a scamming game. Not role-playing, now it's not adopting babies. So now the new farm update's officially out, I guess. And the New Year's, the new whatever update, it's gone. Did you even think I was gonna play this? Of course not. I don't even play it anymore. So like, no. What is this? Let's play. Pick a side. My Mr. Sir whatever. Oh my god. That is so loud. Yeah, party, party, party. Everyone's just jumping. Okay. Oh, okay. Have a parrot that speaks at the worst times. Have a dog who can be potty trained. You can't be, I mean, you can always just let it outside. I mean, that works best, right? 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 Okay. Yeah, there's more. What? Wait. Is that P or something? But just saying, that was no way. How did blue win? That's impossible. They had like 5 or 4 players on their team. Was it before this 3? Did something wrong? Hope not. Okay. What? He broke. Like, what? What is this? I don't really care which one, because I don't even know what this is. Wait, is this... Oh. Oh, people, I don't really care about this one, but this update... We're gonna win. Oh yeah, we won. Yeah, red wins. Dance party, dance party, dance party, dance party. Oh yeah, dance party, dance party, dance